Hello students, this is video number second. What video number second and unit 9 of English grammar. English grammar, and what chapter we are studying? We are studying chapter active and passive voice. Okay, so first of all, in active and passive voice, if you want to understand this chapter in an easy way, so you have to take out your page number 61. Okay, so I recommend you that you should take out page number 61. Okay, so when you take out page number 61, you must see like there are many kinds of sentences. Like there are three kinds of sentences. Like the first is present tense, as I told you in the future tense video, present tense, past tense, and the third one is future tense. What? The third one is future tense. Okay, so present, past and future, and in these tenses there are three. But basically there are total 4, so the total will be 12. But in your syllabus there are only 3 each. Okay, हर किसी में 3 ही है आपके syllabus में, so that's why I am just telling you 3. But in total if I talk about, so there will be 4 and 4, and the total will be 12. But in your syllabus there are only 3, so there will be only 9. Okay, so the first will be simple present tense. What? The first will be simple present tense. Okay, what will be the second? The second will be present continuous. Okay, present continuous, and the third will be present perfect. What? Present perfect. And here simple past tense. What? Simple past tense. And here past continuous. Okay, so here will be past continuous, and here will be past perfect. Okay students, so here will be past perfect, and here it will be simple future tense. What? Simple future tense. Okay, or here it will be future continuous. Okay, and in the last, here it will be future perfect. What? Here will be future perfect. So basically there are in your syllabus there are 9 types of sentence. Okay, 9 types of tenses, and today I will only in this video talk about simple present and present continuous. What? Simple present tense and present continuous tense. So let's begin that. So for this you have to take out page number. For this you have to take out your page number 61, or on the page number 61 I will tell you like simple present. I am talking about simple present tense. What? I am not talking about anything else. I am just talking about simple present tense. So if I wanted to convert, the subject into the object, or you can say if I wanted to convert active voice into passive voice, so what I have to do? I have to follow the basic rule. What is written on the page number? It is change of subject into object, plus what is written? Is MR, and along with that plus I am writing it here because there will be no space. Third form of verb. What? Third form of verb. Okay, third form of verb plus by, and in the end the subject which was converted into object. Okay, so this will be the basic format, and I will also tell you how I will convert. Like if I take the example, it is written in the examples like Rena does practice for 5 hours daily. What? I am taking the first example that Rena practice. If you are watching this video, so there will be no confusion in your mind regarding active and passive voice. Okay, Rena does practice. What? Rena does practice for 5 hours daily. Okay, so I have tell you Rena does practice for 5 hours daily. Okay, so here I want to convert Rena does practice for 5 hours daily. Okay, so I want to change the subject into object. So what was the object? The object in the following is practice. What the object is? Practice. So practice. Okay students, so what here will come? Is M or R? Here will come is. Like if I talk about how is M and R divided, कैसे इनको बताते हैं? So is when there is singular, like one person, if I talk about if there is singular, so is will come. If and M will come with I and R will come with plural. What? R will come with plural and is will come with singular. What? L will come with singular. So that will be the basic thing. Practice is. So it is does. I have to convert this does into third form because it is written in the third form. So what will be the third form of does? It will be done. Practice is done. And after that I have to add by. मुझे by लगाना है. Done by Rena. Subject क्या है यहाँ पर? Rena. So practice is done by Rena for 5 hours daily. For 5 hours daily. Okay, so this was the basic format of simple present tense, how you will be converting this. So moving to the next one, simple. It was simple present tense and we are moving to the next, which is present continuous tense. What? Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Okay, so you can also take out page number. You have to shift your page number and take out page number 62. Okay, so I hope you have taken out the page number 62, and on the page number 62 there will be rule. The rule will be as similar. What? The rule will be as similar. What? The rule will be change subject into object, or we can say vice versa. What do you mean by vice versa? मतलब कि if you wanted to change subject into object, then you can change subject into object, and if you want to change object into subject, so that you can change as well. Okay, so add is M or R. So we have to add is M or R along with we have to add being. What? As it is present continuous tense, so we have to add being, and after being third form of verb. Okay, so third form of verb we have to add. So if I take example, I am taking the example that Monu and Sonu are listening to you quietly, quite attentively. Monu and Sonu are listening to you quite attentively. What? Quite attentively. Okay, so this will be the condition here. So if I wanted to change, so what will be the change? Here will be change you. You जो है इसके अंदर ऑब्जेक्ट है, so I have to change object into subject. So you पहले आएगा. Okay, so you. Okay, so you हो गया हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, which I have converted into subject. Listen to quite attentively by Monu and Sonu. What? By Monu and Sonu. Okay, so this will be the conversion. Okay, so this was video number 2, and you will get the further part in video number 3. So watch that video and do the homework which I have given you today.